guys, and welcome to Ginas Way. So I'm going to go ahead and do the preview for you guys.
Okay, so there's only going to be one insert in the paper this week. So remember, every region differs, but we're going to go ahead and take a look at these right here of what we're getting. So we've got some Activia, $1 off, some Ajax dish liquid, 50 cents off, Alka-Seltzer, $3 off, and then $1 off. Amlactin skin, $1.50 off. Armor chili cans, 40 cents off. BC product, got 2 of those. Belvita biscuits, $1 off. Carrabba's Italian restaurant, varies. A Citrusel product. Claritin, we've got some Colgate. Oh yeah, the toothbrushes are going to be on sale. I believe it's at CVS. I did see that. Downy Wrinkle, Dreamfields pasta. Got some meatballs, Flintstones vitamins, hot sauce. Gillette, oh, those are some good ones. Gillette and Venus, so you get the $4 off and the $3. But remember, we always can print those too. Hidden Valley Ranch packet. We got Irish Spring body wash. That's a good one. $1 off, and then 50 cents off the bar soap. Kami products, any 4. Got Miralax, $2 off. Nabisco cookie, 1 a day, $2 off. There's going to be some good vitamins. Oh, actually, money makers. I'm going to do that video right after here because it's a lot of good deals coming up next week. We got Palmer's, we got Pampers, $2 off. Pepsi, buy 2 get 1 free. That's for Publix store coupon. Soft soap body wash, and then soft soap 75 cents. We got Speed Stick and Lady Speed Stick, so those will probably be free this week, probably at CVS or something. Then we got $1 off the Speed Stick Lady and the men. Chicken broth, 60 cents off. Third tiers, $3. Tide detergent. Y'all look at that, $3 off the Tide. That's gonna make for some good deals. Tide Simply, $1 off, and Uniball, $2 off. Venus, $3, and Zero Bees Ziploc bags. Now, what I'd recommend, because I know some areas don't get it, so if you're getting the paper just for that Tide, y'all check those papers and make sure before you spend all your money on those papers, and make sure that you're get that coupon in your area, because like I said, it's not every single area. But that within itself, that's enough to get the paper for the week. But that's if you get it in your area. Guys, very short video. Just want to show you what's in it. That's all we got this week is Smart Source. It is worth it for the Tide if you get it in your area. And a couple other good ones, but not a whole lot going on this week. So I'll talk to you later. See you over the next video. Bye, guys.